Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can add logo to header in Editor X. So what you want to do is just simply click here add element, and then you want to click image. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna create the image here, and you want to click change image. And let's say that I want to use this one right as logo, wild mushrooms. Then I can let's crop it like this. Yeah, apply. Now what I would do, I would just, oh my god, no. Let's make it smaller. And what I would do, I would just easily just add it to header, attach it to header, make it smaller. I would change the text here, and voila. But I recommend choosing some kind of program to have it transparent. But this is pretty much it how we do it. So yeah, I would make it larger here and here in like this, and voila. So this is how we can simply do it, and this is how we can do it for Editor X. Have a great day and goodbye.